Hey guys, it's Brittany. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning, then what's up? So today we are gonna start a little vloggy vlog. I haven't vlogged in so long, y'all. So the plan for tonight, it's Friday night. It's not whatever Gorilla be saying, but I have some braids that I need to take out, and I've already taken out half of them. And I'm gonna sit here and take out the rest. Got my little bag here. If you know, you know. If you don't, I ain't about to sit here and explain it to you either. I've been watching this show called Your Honor. It's a really good show, so I'm about to sit here, watch that, take some more of my braids out. Also, I noticed that I have a lot of new subscribers, and also I noticed that there are a lot of people watching my videos and you haven't subscribed. So if this is your second video, your third, your fourth, your fifth, and you haven't subscribed yet, babe, what are you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as a part of the family. Back to regular scheduled programs, which is taking these braids out.
Did you go out with the boys last night?
Oh yeah, we got something to eat.
And? You alright? Is this about money or drugs? Because I know damn well it's about one or the other.
See, why y'all go there? Huh?
Am I wrong?
I can break you off, lay your gifts to it all. Sweet on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, lay your gifts to it all. Lord, nothing at all. Lord, nothing at all. I can break you off, lay your gifts to it all. Sweet on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, lay your gifts to it all. Lord, nothing at all. Lord, nothing at all. Lately I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. Lately I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. I could be paranoid. The observation before me, you had all them boys. I'm just the one you've been stalking. Yeah, I saw it soon as I walked in. I can break you off, lay your gifts to it all. Speak on me when I don't blow.
Hey y'all, so it is the next day and I ended up washing my hair and doing all the things. The plan for today is to clean up because I feel like I haven't been at home that much. Like the last 2 weekends, I know for a fact I've been gone. The weekend before that, I don't know what I did. I think I had a housewarming or something like that. But anyways, the last couple of weekends have been like jam-packed with stuff. So this weekend I really want to just clean up and like reset everything, and then I might go out to eat later or something like that. But the plan is to reset. So we are going to start downstairs. It's not really that bad down here at all, but it's just some stuff that I want to do. Like I have 2 junk drawers. One junk drawer is the junk drawer that the builders created, where they put all my paperwork in and stuff, and then one junk drawer is the one that I created. So the plan is to consolidate those things. So, and I need to like mop and like fluff up the couch and just do all the things. I want to wipe down my refrigerator, and I don't have no food in there. So this vlog or what have you is gonna be kind of like a weekend vlog, but like a reset. And y'all already know I got the hat on because my hair's in twists, and that's just how we do. And I just got up and I don't have no earrings on. I don't know about y'all, but when I don't have no earrings on, I feel like a little boy. And on top of that, I have on this hat. And so before I came down here, I put some lip gloss on, because I be like, girl, no, we're not walking around the house looking like that. But I'm about to grab my earrings because they're on the couch. But if y'all want to see what I'm going to get into today, obviously keep watching. I know I said it early in a previous clip, but girl, if you have not subscribed, what are you doing? Because I know you've been watching the videos. I know you keep coming back. So just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, you know. But anyways, we are about to get this thing moving, so let's get clean.
This is what I say from throw it up, dubs on the Cadillac, white tees, Nikes, gangsters don't know how to act, and I'm still bankhead, college park, cover home, Hummers floating on chrome, choking on that homegrown. They got that southern cooking, they got them fellas looking, thinking I was easy, I can see it, that's when I say no. Shorty can't handle this, Sierra got that fire like
Alright, this is all the random things that was left in the drawer by the builder. It's all like manuals and stuff, and I get why they left it, but seriously, like, trash it. So it's all going in the trash today. Alright, we already tackled one drawer, junk drawer. Now we're going to tackle this one, which isn't really that bad, and I think I'm going to put everything into this drawer instead of having two junk drawers. And I want to switch this drawer to over here, because over here I have like cloths and stuff, but I want to switch them. Now we gotta tackle this big mess up there. Alright, y'all, I consolidated everything down into this one drawer. The things that I had over here I just took out, so I can put more cooking utensils and stuff in here if I want to. But yeah, we consolidated everything down. These are like things that I feel like I just want to keep downstairs, like my iPad, some chargers, just some random sunglasses. This is all like paperwork and stuff. These are cards from my housewarming, some tape, and then I had all of these tools in there, but I'm gonna put them in the garage so that stuff can go out the way.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often.
Sick of cleaning already, but the show must go on. Next up is the table.
Rain and thunder. Baby, I wonder. Baby, I wonder. Put your sweats on. Put your sweats on me. Yeah. I got the plug. I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you.
That looks so good. I'm about to show y'all something, and this is a judgment-free zone. Okay, so I am a no shoe house, but I have a spot that when I come in the house I take off all my shoes. So as I was saying before my camera was rude and the battery died, I am a no shoe house, and I have a spot in my house where I like to take my shoes off at. And you know, as the days go by, I wear different types of shoes. I go for walks. Sometimes I wear sneakers to work. I wear different sandals to work. And so now when I'm cleaning up downstairs, I typically just pile the things that I need to take upstairs by the steps, because I'm not running up and down these stairs as I'm cleaning. I just gather everything at the bottom of the stairs, and then I just try to take as much stuff as I can up in 1 or 2 trips. But anyways, I'm about to show y'all all the stuff that needs to go upstairs. Judgment free zone. I normally just start piling little stuff up here, and so this is just some jewelry, obviously some hand sanitizer, my phone, and then my dusters. And these were things that was in that junk drawer, but they belong in the laundry room because it's laundry like detergent and stuff. Now over here we have a lot of stuff. This is here because I propped my camera up on it because I don't have a real tripod for this camera, or I have a handheld tripod, but I need to get one that's a stand. That's a whole nother thing. This is my work bag. Then these are just shoes, and then these are just my door lock things that are gonna go back down here. So, you know, and then those are cloths, like cloths that I use in the kitchen that need to be washed. So these are the things that need to go upstairs. So we about to make a couple trips up the steps with this stuff. So y'all wish me luck. We are in my closet, obviously, and I'm gonna go ahead and start taking out the stuff in this bag. So we got a pair of sneakers. One pair I normally leave downstairs because I use them when I go for my walks, but since I'm cleaning up, everything's gonna get put in its place. And we have another pair of sneakers. If you cannot tell, your girl loves 270s. I probably have 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 4 or 5 pairs of 270s. They are very, very comfortable to me. So yeah, I have a few of those. Okay, so this is all stuff that is going into the hamper. We have a pair of sandals, which are so cute. My sandals, I normally kind of slide them like this inside of each other just to make more space on my little shoe rack. Another pair of sandals, another pair of sandals. Okay, so let's see what else needs to come out of here. We have the lint brush that needs to come out, my camera battery that I actually need to put on the charger if I want to keep on talking to y'all today. And so this is my work bag. It's nothing special. It's literally a happy planner bag that came in one of those little kits or whatever. So I just store this in my what is this place? I just store this in here in my closet when I'm not going to work. So on the weekends I try to bring it upstairs and put it in the closet. During the week it lives on one of the bar stools at the island. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go through my suitcase, because my suitcase I had when I went to like one of my cousin's house and stuff. So I have some dirty clothes and things in there in these little bags. Those can stay. These jeans can get cleaned. And then these outfits I did not wear, so I'm just going to put them over to the side and hang them back up or whatever. So suitcase is cleaned out. Normally what I do with this, I go ahead and zip it back up, and I normally put it in the guest one of the closets in there. I might, because I use this frequently. Now I'm gonna go back and put it in there because I don't want my closet to feel cluttery and junky. And I'm talking to y'all and y'all can't even see me, but I don't want my closet to feel cluttered or junky, so I think I'm gonna put it back in there. I'm about to put these few things away, and then I'm gonna start cleaning my bathroom. I need to put some clothes in the laundry, so let's get ready.
Can you take it to the top? Just wanna love you, over me, oh baby. Can you take control of me? Just wanna love you, I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh baby, when you're kissing me. Oh baby, when you're
We are in the bathroom, and this is what she's looking like. It's not horrible. Keep in mind, most of that was from yesterday because I did my hair and I was tired. That's a Target bag that I just been putting like random stuff in, and I knew I needed to take the trash out, so I just left that there. But we're about to get this little place together, okay? There's makeup on there that we need to clean off, so I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna change the sheets on my bed and wash those. And then also I have a shower liner that I am going to take out and wash as well. So yeah, let's get this ball started. Let's take down the shower liner first, because that's not really a hard task. And I am going to stand up on here, but I do not recommend that to other people. So don't do as I do as I say type of thing. But yeah, so we're just taking the white shower liner off, and I'm going to put that with the white clothes that I have, because I don't have a lot of white clothes to wash, but this can go in there. If I go to TJ Maxx or Home Goods or whatever today, I might try to look for me another one so I can have them, so I can just rotate them out. I have two. I want another set of sheets and another white shower liner, just so that I don't have to wait for them to be washed if I don't want to. Anyways, so yeah.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you.
All right, y'all, the bathroom is looking very good. She's clean. We already lit our candles, so you know what that means. It's time to shut her down. So we're moving on to the bedroom. The only thing I gotta do in here is throw away some water bottles that I have on the counter. That little white thing I'm taking back to Target, and then just my ankle bracelet, and put that stuff just in the drawer. But I'm about to change the linens. I don't have any ones to replace it with, but you know, I'm just gonna take them off and prepare them for the laundry and just fold everything else up and put it back on my bed. I'm gonna open the blinds because we need some light in here, and that's pretty much it. I already lit a candle for up in here. I don't really need to dust these off today, or I'm not dusting them off today, so yeah, so that's that. Your girl is getting tired. I am so glad I'm almost done. So that is done. The last thing I have to do around here is just vacuum. But I have some stuff in the hallway and everything, so I might do that later. I think I'm about to just chill out for a little bit. I'll pick y'all back up